Like to Mr.
بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته dhammaan ummadda muslimiintu waad salaamintiin waad u jeediin masaajidka meeshuu maraayo xaaladiisa iyo dhismaha meeshuu maraayo waa u jeediin insha Allah meel hadda dee waxa uu taagan yahay aan lagu kala haraynin waxaan idinka codsanaynaa insha Allah in aad ka qayb qaadataan khayrkan socdo waa sadaqatu jaariya marka tii nabiga calayhi salaatu wasalaam uu lahaa waa man bana masjidan bana Allahu baytan fil janna marka insha Allah meesha ha laga qayb qaato waalidkiina oo dhintay ama ilmihiina qof insha Allah ka qayb qaato khayr Allah barakallahu insha Allah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم تسليما كثيرا أما بعد. To all of the viewers who are watching, we say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is your brother Ahmed Bashir recording with the Boston Islamic Center, otherwise known as Masjid At-Taqwa. My beloved brothers and sisters in Islam, as many of you guys are aware, the masjid has been going under renovations for the last few months, and the intention was to move the right side wall as far as possible so that we can make the prayer place bigger for the worshippers and bigger for the students who are learning and studying at this masjid. And so we ask you guys to do at least one of these two things. Number one, those who can give financially, we ask you to give and to do so generously. As the Prophet ﷺ has said, that which can mean he who builds a house for the sake of Allah, Allah will build for that person a house in Jannah. And so we say, although we hear this often, don't take giving to the masjid as something light and trivial. And to the second group of people, we say, those who can't give and truly cannot give, we say to you, help out however you can in your time and in your energy. If you are unable to do so, maybe those in your circle are able to do so. If you are unable to give, maybe by promoting this cause, people around you will give. And so we ask that you support this cause in any way that you can. And in conclusion, my brothers and sisters in Islam, we say, let us not think that the responsibility of this masjid lies with its board members. Or let us not think that the responsibility of the masjid lies with the people who are funding it. But let us think that this is a masjid of Allah and a house of Allah, and therefore its responsibility lies on every single one of our shoulders. And so we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make this renovation an easy process for us, and inshallah to conclude it for us as soon as possible. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to allow us to understand the importance of the masjid and to make the community members of this masjid a beacon of light for the entire ummah as long as there are people walking on this earth. هذا وبالله توفيق. جزاكم الله خير الجزاء والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.